In this video I am going to share a 20% off Nexlev coupon code. To activate the coupon, make sure to use our affiliate link which is given in the video description. The coupon code is called Nexlev20, and you can use this coupon to buy anything from Nexlev. Nexlev has a niche finder tool which helps you find untapped YouTube niches, and it costs you $565. You can use the coupon Nexlev20 at the checkout, and it will give you a flat 20% discount. After applying the coupon, I only have to pay $450. Nexlev also has a Chrome extension which costs $13 per month. You can use the coupon to buy the extension as well. Simply enter the coupon code here and you'll get the 20% discount. And now the monthly plan will cost you only $10.40. I personally recommend to go ahead with the yearly plan, as it will help you get another 30% discount on your order. On top of that, the coupon will save you another 20%, which makes it a 50% discount on your purchase. After applying the coupon, you can see that the extension will only cost you $86 for 1 year. Now you only need to enter your payment details here and confirm. You'll get charged after your 14-day trial ends. If you are buying the Niche Finder tool or the Nexlev course, then make sure to use our affiliate link which is given in the video description. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in my next video.